Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make super green powder. This powerful supplement concentrates nutrients from a variety of plants, supporting your energy levels, digestion, and overall wellness. Making your own ensures you get fresh, high-quality ingredients without any unwanted additives. We will go through the entire process, from selecting your greens to proper storage, making it simple and straightforward for you to create this beneficial blend at home. Now, let's talk about choosing your ingredients. For a robust super green powder, select nutrient-dense leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or collard greens. You can also incorporate grasses like wheatgrass or barley grass for their unique nutritional profiles. Don't forget powerful adaptogens like spirulina or chlorella to boost your blend's potency. Aim for a diverse mix of at least 3 to 5 different greens to ensure a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Next, prepare and dry your chosen greens. First, thoroughly wash all your ingredients to remove any dirt or debris. Then, chop larger leaves into smaller, uniform pieces. This ensures they dry evenly. You can use a dehydrator set to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 hours. Alternatively, spread them on a baking sheet and bake in an oven at 150 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours, until completely crisp. Finally, it's time to blend and store your super green powder. Make sure all your dried greens are completely brittle. This is crucial for achieving a fine powder. Use a high-speed blender or a coffee grinder, processing in small batches to prevent overheating and ensure a smooth, consistent texture. Once blended, store your vibrant green powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place where it will maintain its potency for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.